Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video will provide best tips of what to do in Canada during winter. Brought to you by Bella Access. If you've not subscribed, please do so. The primary goal is always to create summaries that are not just informative, but also incredibly useful. Think of it as a treasure map, pointing you directly to the best parts of any adventure. The focus is about the breathtaking winter activities and experiences Canada has to offer. For any adventure, planning is important. This way you can plan your epic trip without all the guesswork. Plan, plan, and plan. It's never too much to plan adequately. Driving on the road lined by snow-filled trees could be fun, especially for young couples. This is a common scene in many places in Canada. To plan your winter adventure, the first and arguably most exciting step is to identify all the key activities and attractions. Look for anything that screams winter wonderland in Canada, zeroing in on every single winter-specific experience. Try to capture all the unique ways you can embrace the cold and snow across this incredible country. First on the radar are the exhilarating skiing opportunities. Whether it's downhill thrills or cross-country adventures, ice skating is a quintessential Canadian winter experience. Think frozen lakes or iconic city rinks. Then there's snowshoeing, a fantastic way to explore serene winter landscapes. These quiet adventures are truly special. Winter festivals and events are huge draws, so pay close attention to any celebrations or spectacles. They add so much color and culture to the colder months. And of course, the magical northern lights. If the video features opportunities to view this natural phenomenon, it's a bucket list experience for so many. This is best viewed in the Northwest Territories of Canada. Canada is full of surprises. Try not to miss a single one that makes winter special. Skating and hiking in trails in winter is another form of adventure which often costs almost nothing. Canada is one of the best places on Earth to enjoy winter. Make the best use of it. Canada is vast, and knowing which regions are highlighted helps narrow down the best spots for different interests. Sometimes the video mentions broader regions of Canada, not just specific cities. These wider areas might offer a general type of experience, like mountain adventures or coastal charm. Beyond the major areas, think of iconic mountains or frozen waterfalls. Take a trip to places where you can see the wonder of winter on Canadian landscape. Trees drenched in snow, what a sight to behold. It's important to meticulously map out where all the amazing activities and attractions are located. This geographical understanding is essential for efficient travel planning. No matter what, try to get a clear map of locations. Canadian Rockies provide beautiful winter sight. A trip to Banff, Alberta is not a bad idea. It's a trip everyone should take in a lifetime. Recommendations for booking activities or tours are super important. Sometimes things sell out fast or require advanced reservations, especially popular winter events. The goal in this step is to extract all the actionable and truly useful tips for visitors. These nuggets of wisdom can turn a good trip into an absolutely unforgettable one. Beyond the facts, every video has an underlying tone and message. Understanding this is a crucial step. It helps convey the true essence of the experience. Winter is the best season in Canada. This is one of the amazing low-budget winter escape in Toronto. There are so many fun winter activities for families. Explore, you will find them all around you. The ultimate goal here is to understand the video's underlying theme and its overall appeal. This helps capture the spirit of the Canadian winter experience perfectly in my summary. Imagine landscapes blanketed in pristine white, sparkling under a crisp blue sky. This isn't just a trip, it's an epic saga of discovery and joy. Canada truly transforms into a magnificent spectacle when winter arrives. It's a land of contrasts, offering both serene beauty and heart-pounding adventure. From the majestic Rockies to the serene Atlantic coast, every region offers its unique winter narrative. Forget about staying indoors. Canada calls you to embrace the chill and discover boundless fun. It's a journey you'll remember forever. Let's talk about the absolute pinnacle of winter sports, skiing and snowboarding. Canada boasts some of the world's most renowned ski resorts, offering everything from gentle slopes to challenging black diamonds. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's a run calling your name. Think about the iconic slopes of Whistler Blackcomb in British Columbia. It's an expansive paradise with endless terrain, fresh powder, and breathtaking mountain vistas. The sheer variety of runs ensures there's always something new to explore. Or perhaps the majestic Banff Sunshine Village in Alberta, nestled high in the Rocky Mountains. The views are utterly spectacular, and the snow quality is consistently phenomenal. You'll feel like you're skiing on top of the world. For an East Coast experience, Mont Tremblant in Quebec offers charming village vibes combined with fantastic skiing. It's a perfect blend of European flair and Canadian hospitality. The energy here is absolutely contagious. Skiing and snowboarding in Canada are not just sports. They are exhilarating adventures that connect you with nature. When the lakes freeze over and outdoor rinks appear, Canada becomes a skater's paradise. Ice skating is a beloved winter tradition, offering graceful fun for all ages. It's a chance to feel the crisp air and enjoy a timeless activity. Many cities and towns also feature charming outdoor rinks, often beautifully lit and playing festive music. These spots become vibrant community hubs, perfect for families and friends. It's a simple pleasure that brings so much joy. From leisurely glides to energetic games, ice activities in Canada offer a fantastic way to embrace the cold. It's an accessible and incredibly fun way to spend a winter afternoon. If you prefer a slower pace but still crave adventure, snowshoeing is your answer. Many national and provincial parks offer dedicated snowshoeing trails guiding you through stunning landscapes. Imagine walking through hushed woods, the only sound being the crunch of snow beneath your feet. It's a meditative experience. Take, for example, the trails around Lake Louise in Banff National Park. Snowshoeing here offers unparalleled views of snow-draped mountains and the iconic frozen lake. It's a magical journey into the heart of the Rockies. Prepare for an unforgettable adventure that harkens back to Canada's pioneering past. Dog sledding. Feel the exhilarating rush as a team of powerful, enthusiastic huskies pulls you through snow-covered landscapes. It's an ancient tradition and an absolute thrill. Many operators across Canada offer dog sledding experiences, from short scenic rides to multi-day expeditions. In places like Quebec, Ontario, and the Canadian Rockies, dog sledding offers unique perspectives of the winter environment. You'll witness the incredible bond between the mooshers and their dogs. It's an authentic and deeply moving experience. For those who enjoy a quieter, more contemplative winter activity, ice fishing offers a unique Canadian experience. Gather your gear, drill a hole in the ice, and settle in for some serene angling. It's a wonderful way to enjoy the stillness of winter. Lakes and rivers across Canada become prime ice fishing spots once frozen solid. Many outfitters provide heated huts, making the experience comfortable even on the coldest days. Popular ice fishing destinations include Lake Simcoe in Ontario and various lakes throughout Manitoba and Saskatchewan. It's an opportunity to relax, enjoy the fresh air, and perhaps even catch your dinner. It's a delightful blend of sport and tranquility. Ice fishing is a fantastic way to experience a different side of Canada's winter, embracing its quiet beauty and the simple pleasure of the outdoors. It's a truly authentic winter pastime. Bring a warm drink and enjoy the quiet moments. Ready for some serious horsepower in the snow? Snowmobiling is an electrifying way to cover vast expanses of Canadian wilderness. Feel the rush of speed as you zip through trails, forests, and open fields. It's an adrenaline-fueled adventure. Canada boasts an incredible network of snowmobile trails, offering thousands of kilometers of riding opportunities. From guided tours to independent explorations, there's a snowmobiling adventure for everyone. In provinces like Quebec, Ontario, and British Columbia, snowmobiling is a hugely popular winter sport. The sheer freedom of flying across a pristine landscape is utterly exhilarating. Imagine roaring through a snow-covered forest, the trees whizzing by and the crisp air filling your lungs. It's an unparalleled sense of freedom and excitement. This is adventure at its most thrilling. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, snowmobiling provides an unforgettable taste of Canada's powerful winter landscapes. It's an action-packed way to explore and experience pure exhilaration. The overall mood is one of excitement, adventure, and profound beauty. It's a time for families to bond, for friends to create lasting memories, and for adventurers to push their limits. Canada's winter truly captures the imagination. It's a place where majestic beauty meets exhilarating adventure. Get ready to make some incredible memories. So, what are you waiting for? Canada's winter is calling, ready to offer you an adventure of a lifetime. From skiing down epic mountains to gliding across frozen canals, every moment promises excitement and wonder. This is where your winter dreams come alive. This incredible country beckons you to embrace the cold, to seek thrills, and to discover breathtaking beauty around every snowy corner. It's more than a destination. It's an experience that will stay with you forever. Come and make your own winter story.